Hi, female entrepreneur. I so love seeing you here. Today, my friend, let us talk about how you can stop feeling that you don't have time and also stop feeling so stressed about it. This is Maria Linden, mentor and high performance coach, helping you to reach success and fulfillment. Okay, how can you stop feeling that you don't have time and stop feeling stressed about this? How can you stop feeling that time is just running out and just like having that frustration in you? Well, today I would love to share this tool with you that really will help you to feel both gratitude for where you are right now, gratitude for the time you have, and also gratitude for the time that is to come. You will start to really become more conscious about how you are using your time, your energy. So, what I want you to do is I want you to run and grab a pen and a paper, my friend. Okay, once you have this pen and paper, I want you to look at the average age of women in your country. And that might be, for example, 82 or 84 or 86 or something. But just write down that number. And now, on this piece of paper, you will make columns where you draw, for example, 10 hearts in each row. And you just draw like these parts of that heart, but 10 in each column, until you have reached, of course, that specific number. So let me clarify now. Each of these hearts now, they represent 1 year of your life. 1 year. And what I want you to do as the next step now is that I want you to take either that pen that you have or some colored pens. And I want you to start taking the time to color these hearts all the way up to your age. So me, for example, I'm 44. So for me, I would literally sit there and take that time to fill out these hearts, every single one, and do it with presence and with gratitude. Because it's not about, oh my God, I'm so old, it's like, yes, time is running out. No, view this through the lens of love. View it from the perspective of gratitude, immense gratitude. Because after a while, when filling out these hearts and coloring these, it's going to be, it's like a bit of a strain for you. And this alone will make you realize that you have actually been given so much time, so many years, and you have also filled it with so many experiences, so much love, so much insights and learning, so much expansion, so much wisdom, so much meetings, so much fun and laughter and community. And really, it makes you more grateful for all the time, for all the years, for all the days that you have already been given and get to experience. Okay, so that is the first step. Next, I also want you to realize that when you're looking at this almost like a map, you will also see that if you are lucky, if you're one of the very lucky ones, you will get to experience and live all of these years to the average age. Everything above that is a bonus. It's a bonus. So never take it for granted. This is also gratitude practice. Another thing that is also very valuable when it comes to this exercise is that you cannot take for granted that you will live another year. What you have is today. And I am not saying this to scare you. I am not telling you this in order for you to feel like, oh my God, time really is running out. No. But the thing is this, when we are talking about stress, stress is caused by you, for example, either being stuck in the past. So you are thinking about things that has happened or that didn't go well or someone who hurt you and so on. And for example, stress can also be caused by you being in the future all the time, future tripping, always thinking about, for example, like, oh, I have to have this, or when I get there I'm going to be happy, or I have to achieve this and I'm not there yet. And like this is going to create a lot of stress and tension for you. But when you become back to the present moment, we so often talk about this in the high performance trainings, when you come back to the present moment and you are also feeling grateful for something, this is when you will feel at peace. This is when you're going to feel truly happy. And from this place, you're going to be powerful. You are the most powerful you can ever be when it comes to creating your future. The only place where you can really experience time and your own true power and the connection is in the present moment. So if you want a brighter future, make sure to be present. So this exercise is a way for you to really become aware of everything that you have that has been given to you in order to feel grateful, and also to really value what you have right now, to value your time, become even more conscious about how you're using your time, how you're spending your days, how you're using this specific minute, for example. So right now you're watching this video and you're taking some time to reflect on your life, on what truly matters to you, and you're creating shifts, breakthroughs, and knowing how to navigate more easily. So really take this video and make sure to do this exercise. Set aside, for example, 30 minutes. Or if you just want to do a quick version, of course, like do that, it's better than nothing. But really take this time, and then also put up this on the wall so you can see it. So every day you are reminded of all the gifts, all the time, all the blessings, all the experiences that you've already been given. And also that you have time in front of you, but that you need to be mindful and present right here and now. Right here today, because today and this moment is the only thing you really have. Everything else is a gift, a bonus. So make sure to be present. Let me also add here that the reason I'm so passionate about this is because when we are teaching, for example, female leaders and entrepreneurs how to manage their time, how to become more efficient or more productive, it's not about necessarily the money in itself or the results work-wise and so on, or the prestige or successes that, yes, they get those, but it's more about the quality of your life, or you living a truly and genuinely fulfilled life. So start today and be present and mindful about how you are using your time. Okay, as always now, ladies, make sure now that we focus, and we are going to summarize what we have covered. When you want to stop feeling that you don't have time and you feel stressed, you can use this exercise. You take a piece of paper and a pen, you draw the number of hearts that is the average age of women in your country. You start really filling out the hearts, the life that you have lived, and also this is going to bring you back to gratitude for what you have already been given, all that time, all those experiences, and also make you aware with a little scarcity, but from a loving perspective, that your time on earth is limited. So the things that truly matter to you, get going, start, take that next step, okay? But especially it's going to help you to become more present and more mindful in this specific moment, because this moment is the only thing that you truly have. You don't know about tomorrow. You don't know an hour from now. You don't know what's going to happen in 2 years. But right now, this is really what you have and that you can really affect. So there you have it, my friend. If you like this tip and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also go to www.lindmaria.com and sign up for my newsletter, because that way I will be able to send you my latest video with tips just like this. Plus also some special gifts, secrets and bonuses that I only share with you in email. With all my heart, may this serve you, and remember this: you have the power to create miracles in your life and in your business.